What's up, adventurers? We're going to show you our room in Hotel Valley Ho in Phoenix, Arizona. Let's start off with the kitchen. This place is amazing. We got a full stove, a nice deep sink. We got a dishwasher, microwave, fridge, and freezer. This is the living room, but let's come back here. Somehow Esther is out on the balcony. Let's see what she's doing. Okay, so she's reading a book, enjoying this beautiful view. Look how big this thing is. You got so much space to hang out. But let's go back inside, right? There's still a lot to explore. Oh, Esther. Hey, Esther. Anyways, here's a TV. It rotates back. Hey, Chris Hemsworth. Okay, anyways, Esther's watching TV. Here's a better view of the living room, and you get to see the kitchen in the back there. I love the yellow over there. Okay, let's move on to the bedroom. Esther is here somehow. Nice big bed. Beautiful chandelier, little chaise here, and then you have another entrance to the balcony in case you want to go this way. Oh, hey, it's me. All right, so lots of mirrors. I love that little wall there. Let's check out the bathroom. Whoa, this place is huge. Okay, huge walk-in shower. You got a his and her sink, nice separate toilet. Look at this closet. It's massive. Esther's already moved in. And then a washer and dryer. This place is awesome.